Happy Tuesday, guys. Welcome to day 2 of my trading journal for the month of November. As you can see, I took 2 trades today, and one was red, one was green, and it puts us in the profit, $4.82. Very small green day today, but I was pretty happy with the way I made these trades, and so I'll hop on over and show you what I'm talking about. And so right here at 4:08, we have 3 stocks on the screener. NFE has too high of a float. IHRT has too high of a float as well. And so this CMBM is really the only one I had my eye on at this point. We got this nice rally, a pullback, a really nice rally here, and now we're in another pullback right here. Kind of have my eye on this 1-minute chart as well. And I'm like, if this thing flips green, maybe I should get back in and see what happens here. And so we're kind of sitting at the bottom of this dip. We start popping up. I'm like, this is a big bottoming tail. This is a big topping tail. I'm not sure what to think, but we're seeing some strength. And so when it flips green, I get in. I don't like this fill. It's kind of a bad fill. And so I'm watching it. I sold half at break even. I'm like, this thing's stalling out. I've got to take just a little bit off the table. Sold the rest right there as soon as it broke below here. I'm like, this thing doesn't look super strong. I think I got in a bit too early. I think we're due for a 1-minute pullback. I'm going to wait for this candle to form and see what we have. By the way, I lost $13.41, and so I'm sitting down on the day. I'm down on the month at this point. And so I'm really trying to calm myself down and tell myself not to enter before I have a good setup. And so it continues to pull back here. A new 1-minute candle forms right now. And I'm kind of watching the 15-second chart. I'm like, I need an early entry on this. And there it is. I get in at 265. It pops up, immediately sold half at this peak right here. I'm kind of waiting for it to retest those levels again. Boom, right there. Sold another half. And I sold another half. And so now I hang on for a bit. I mean, I initially bought 366 shares, and I'm just holding 46. I'm waiting to see if this pullback resolves and we get a push slightly higher. I would probably sell the rest of it at that point. It doesn't look like we're going to go parabolic up to 285 again. New 1-minute candle forms. I'm like, we'll probably form a little bit of a bottoming tail and then pop up again. Sure enough, that's exactly what happens. It goes up to 269. I sold another half. Just kind of hanging on to see what happens, but it's obvious we're not going anywhere. And so I take the whole position off the table, and it puts me up on the day. That trade right there was an $18.24 winner, and so I'm up $4.82 for the day. Very small green day, but I'm really happy that it wasn't a red day. I'm happy that I didn't hold on to the first trade longer than I should have. And I'm happy that I stopped trading when I was in profit and didn't keep trying to make that number higher because it's a pretty low number. And so here's what the month is looking like so far. We're up $14.30, which is almost a 0.5% gain for the account in 2 days. I have a 67% win rate, which isn't too bad. Could be better. One thing that I do like is my profit to loss ratio is basically 1-to-1. And so my winners are on average $13.86 and my losses are only $13.41. If I can keep things looking similar to this, it would be a really good month. And so that's what I'm going to strive to do. Keep my emotions in check, trade when I have setups. If I lose, I'll take the loss quickly. And if I win, I'll take the profit. Hope you guys have a good Tuesday. Love you. Peace out.